Hello. Good day, sir. My name is Kel from Mega World at the Fort, and this is
I'm Camila from Mega World at the Fort.
and welcome to our showroom. So this way. So right now, this is the unit that we offer. This is the Uptown Modern, located inside Uptown Bonifacio Township. This is a 40-story building with a podium type. So all of this is ready by 2031, and this is located inside the prime location of Uptown Bonifacio, BGC.
So 2030.
Yes, this is ready by 2031.
So sa exact location, opposite the Uptown.
Actually, this one is located in 9th corner 40th Street in Uptown Bonifacio. As you can see here in our map, dito siya located. Right beside the Black Pour. So that is a 15-hectare township of Mega World, composed of 70% commercial area like malls, international offices, international schools, groceries, landers, and flagship malls. The other 30% is composed of residential areas. So from one Uptown residence up until Uptown Arts, that is all sold out in a pre-selling stage.
So it's not only in Uptown Bonifacio Global, meron kayong projects na meron kayong mga projects.
Actually, we do also offer McKinley West and Northwind Global City, or the next BGC of the North. Yeah. So,
I believe sa likod mo may mga list ng projects ba or township?
yes, actually, these are the list of the township of Mega World. This one is not yet updated, but right now, I believe this is a 38 township or more. Yeah.
But mainly our main projects ninyo is dito sa Bonifacio Global City.
As from Mega World at the Fort, ang in-offer talaga namin na project is Uptown Bonifacio, McKinley West, and Northwind Global City. Then the rest, nasa ibang marketing na sila.
Okay. Pero they can contact you as well if they inquire in other sites.
For that, they can contact me also, but I suggest na doon na lang sila mismo sa mismong sites na yon. But for the McKinley West, Uptown Bonifacio, and NGC, pwede na kami kontakin ni Camila.
Ano po yung contact number?
So, ang contact number ko is 0977-4544-511. WhatsApp, SMS, anything na ando naman siya. And then,
And yung sa akin naman po is 0935-33-65351. So, andun po yung Viber ko, WhatsApp, and SMS.
For projects in BGs.
yes.
I believe you'll be presenting your showroom.
Yes. So, Camila and I will gonna help you to show the units that we offer right now. But right now, ang available lang natin for viewing is the studio and the one bedroom. But
One bedroom studio.
we still offer 2 bedroom and 3 and up. So, parehas lang din naman siya ng deliverables, and we will discuss it later. So, let's go.
Dito sa studio. Studio na ako. So, here is our studio unit. So, total of 40 square meters. So, upon entering, you can see,
For Uptown Motor.
yes. So, upon entering, we have here washer and dryer. So, this is included upon turnover. So, come here, sir. So, as you can see, we have built-in cabinets, also microwave oven, and range hood, and also induction cooktop, and retractable faucet. These are all included. Also, we have built-in rep. So, upon turnover, you can get all of this.
Built-in na siya.
Yes, built-in na po siya, sir. So, lahat na po ng nakikita niyo. Yes. Gorin G po yung brand niya. So,
European brand, sir. Warren J. 2 doors, then freezer natin is nasa baba. So, yan.
Na talaga. Tapos nilagyan pa siya ng pasadya na
Cabinet.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
okay. Para
So-
safe.
Yes, sir.
safe na safe yung food.
So, ganito talaga namin siya i-deliver. But, syempre, meron pa ring wheel yung ano natin, yung mga buyers natin if they want to change the color.
They have
Yes,
their
sir.
own brand din as well.
Yes po. So, as of now, ito yung iaano natin. Pero, di naman tayo mapapaano nito dahil top European brand na siya. Yan. So,
Pero kasama na siya sa ano, pag binili.
yes sir, kasama na siya. Actually, tawag nga natin sa kanya, fully fitted na. Kasi halos lahat ng naandito is
Sa kitchen?
pwede nang gamitin. Yes sir. Complete kitchen and then complete bathroom.
Pati ito, no?
Yes sir, complete siya.
So,
Ano?
Goran J.
Yes.
So, beside dito, sir, so what you see is what you get sa toilet and bath namin. So, yes, sir. Pati po itong mirror namin na touchscreen. So, kasama na. And yung shower. So, may separated glass na din po siya. So, ayan. So, ayan. So, what you see, sir, is what you get. So, upon entering naman po, dito naman po sa living room. So, we have here table for dining and living room. So, kasama din po dito yung split type aircon.
Ang kasama.
Yes, sir. So,
Includes
madami pong include.
Yung mga movables lang natin sir yung hindi included. Like TVs, chairs, sofa, bed. So, yun naman siya.
So, dito naman po sa bedroom, so merong partition. So, ang included naman po dito is yung etong ating modular closet. So, yes, sir. So, ito po ang ating one bedroom.
So
Bedroom.
Full window din siya, no? Just in case.
Yes, sir. So, doon naman po tayo sa one bedroom natin.
Po. So, let's go po sa one bedroom. Ayan. So, this one bedroom is a 57 square meters. Ayan. Na meron na rin siyang kasamang maid's room. So, upon entering, when it comes to our one bedroom is meron tayong nakasamang foyer. And then, syempre, ang bubungad sa atin is yung kitchen natin. So, here in our wet areas, kung mapapansin natin, yung tiles natin is naka-matte surface na rin siya. L-type kitchen, syempre one of my favorites dahil pwede kang makipagkwentuhan habang meron kang ginagawa rito mga bagay-bagay. So, aside from that, this a quartz countertop, same deliverables lang ang meron tayo na ino-offer sa Mega World. Like, 2-door built-in microwave oven and refrigerator, 2-zone burner cooktop, range hood, na all is Goran J na top European brand. Yes, Goran J din siya. Even the kitchen cabinets are also included. So, aside from that, syempre meron din tayo ditong maid's room.
Parang minibar na rin po.
Actually, sir, yes. Ayun yung kagandahan sa kanya, no? Para na rin siyang minibar. And this actually one bedroom can be converted into a 2-bedroom na rin dahil sa maid's room natin. So, this is our maid's room. So, upon entering, meron na rin tayo dito kasamang washer and dryer. And then, naandito naman is yung toilet and bath natin. So, meron na rin tayong faucet and shower dito sa area na yan.
Social media, may isa rin
Yes.
pa.
Pwede siyang office room or storage room or pwede rin maid's room or other room. So, next one is yung bathroom natin. So, bathroom naman natin, syempre, what you see is what you get. Kompleto na rin with LED lights na sa mirror natin. Even the kitchen cabinets. And naka-jack and Jill door na rin siya through your master bedroom.
Wow.
Yes. So, ganyan naman siya.
May provision for door.
Yes, actually meron talaga siya mga doors sir, hindi lang tayo naglagay dito. So ito sliding ang nakalagay dito na door.
Sliding.
Yes. So dito naman sa bedroom natin, ang kasama naman dito syempre yung split type aircon natin na isa and then the cabinet with mirrors. So your view to your bedroom is a floor to ceiling glass.
Floor to ceiling din.
Yes, floor to ceiling glass siya. Pero may option din naman tayo na meron ding balcony. Yan.
So, mas mahal yun.
Mas mahal yun dahil mas malaki ng let's say 6 square meter, 4 square meters na yung mga area na yun.
Pwede bang malaman kung magkano yung difference between the balcony?
The balcony, sir, itself, roughly around 2 to 3 million. It depends on the size of the unit kasi. Dahil ito, 57 square meters, naglalaro siya ng mga around 24 million. Kagandahan doon, nag-offer naman kami ng no down payment terms. So, as long as ma-reserve natin yung unit, meron na kayong kagad property under your name.
Okay. At least, no? May zero down payment.
Yes, sir. Zero down payment. And then, mababa lang din naman yung bababayaran natin na equity within 6 years. For as low as this unit, sir, estimately 18,000 pesos dito, and then meron tayong annual lump sum. So, ganun lang naman siya kasimple. 6 years yon na 0% interest din.
Saan nga ulit kayo makakontakt?
Makakontak ako, Facebook, Megaworld at the Fort, by Kel, IG, Condos by Kel, TikTok, Kel.Megaworld, and also YouTube. Pwede nyo rin akong follow doon kung sakali, no? Condo Investment PH sa YouTube. So,
Pwedeng dumiretso na sila dito sa Uptown
yes, sir.
Mall.
Pagandahan dyan, viewers natin, just contact us, me, Kel, and Camila, para may assist namin kayo if ever na gusto nyo magkaroon ng private viewing.
Okay. Itong same na itong nakikita din.
Yes, sir. Same natin. And guys, meron din tayong ready for occupancy for Filipino buyers
correct
only.
po.
Yes. Yeah. So, yeah.
Ikaw, yung contact details mo rin at least.
So,
paulitan
ako po, Mega World at the Port by Camila. So, IG ko. And Mega World at the Port by Camila Santos to my Facebook. So, and yung na-mention ko kanina na number sa Viber, WhatsApp. And camilasantos.megaworld@gmail.com sa email ko.
Okay. So, aside from Uptown Modern, may yung sa McKinley, pwede nyo i-discuss rin.
Sa Park Pakinley West. So, actually,
At least overview man lang.
Overview natin, no? Park McKinley West, we offer... Fort McKinley West is a ready for occupancy building that we have as of now. But if you want a pre-selling, we do have also the One West Park. So, same offers. In our pre-selling buildings, we offer no down payment, and for as low as 15,000 pesos ay magkakaroon na kayo kagad ng unit under your name.
Okay.
So,
We will put in the description below na lang po yung other projects po ni Sir at ni Ma'am.
yes po.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, that's all. For today, just follow Sir
Aurelio Altura.
Aureo Altura in Facebook. And guys, message us and sir for more content just like this.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.